Today we'll talk about how can you enable swipe free on your app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on more down here, and you just click here on more. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on trade in here account, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You go down here, can here to swipe free, just click in this sign. So like you see, you just switch into show for you like this here. This color show for us. That's mean here swipe free enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. I wish know you I give it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.